Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 9th December 2025. Donald Trump's hinting of new tariffs on Indian rice imports has sent shockwaves through Indian markets, causing rice stock prices to plummet. While the US is a small export market, the move signals potential trade friction ahead of upcoming bilateral talks. India's dominant global rice export position, however, offers resilience against such disruptions. Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani announced that the group will invest $75 billion over 5 years in the energy transition sector, highlighting opportunities in green steel, hydrogen, and renewables. He showcased the world's largest renewable energy park under construction at Khavda, Gujarat, which will cover 520 square kilometers and generate 30 gigawatts of green energy by 2030. Enough to power over 60 million Indian homes. Larsen & Toubro is consolidating its real estate operations under L&T Realty Properties. This strategic move aims to create a unified entity to leverage India's real estate growth. The company will expand its project pipeline through land acquisitions and joint developments. This consolidation will bolster L&T Realty's position as a singular brand for real estate. Centre Court Capital on Tuesday raised Rs 410 crore for its maiden fund, surpassing its initial target and triggering a Rs 60 crore greenshoe option. The firm is looking to back companies in the intersection of sports and gaming in the Indian ecosystem. The fund is anchored by JSW Cement's Managing Director Parth Jindal and is backed by domestic institutional investors including SIDBI and SRI, as well as family offices such as Premji Invest, Sunraj Group and GMR Sports. Bengaluru-based Chirate Ventures on Monday launched Chirate Sonic Deep Tech program, a funding channel that will look to back early-stage deep tech startups. Under this program, the VC firm will invest up to $2 million across seed to Series A stage companies. The firm will look to back startups in energy and climate, quantum technologies, robotics and advanced manufacturing, space technologies, applied AI ML, defense, bio, and medtech and digital economy. The Reserve Bank of India has released the 2025 directions on NBFCs undertaking of financial services, replacing the earlier RBI Master Directions 2025. The revised framework is part of RBI's broader harmonization exercise aimed at strengthening prudential supervision, governance, and group-level risk management. The new directions will come into force from December 5, 2025. All entities falling within the scope of this framework must comply with updated norms from this date onward.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.